Paul! Our chicken coop is gone! The hell? Where the hell did it go? We got shingles. Where the hell is that chicken coop? Another tree debris. Oh my God. It's over here! The chicken coop! Holy shit. There weren't no chickens in there, by the way. Holy jeez. Oh, we gotta fix this. Oh, that's where it used to be. Lifted it right out of the ground. Tossed it right over here. Look at that. A beam right over there. I gotta pick up some of this glass here. I'm not gonna touch it till the storm is completely out of here. Just a sec. Some of this glass. Oh, jeez.